Hey everyone, welcome back. This evening we are going to be using Empire State of Mind from HC&C. This is a Pastor's Pharmacy exclusive. A very good friend of mine, former coworker, happened to send that to me, although you can get it online. There'll be a link below. So that has been whipped up in the HC&C bowl. And just because I also used the HC&C white handle brush. But the star of the show, we all know I really enjoy HC&C soap. The star of the show this evening is going to be an initial impression of HC&C's new razor, the Smooth Operator. So a couple things with the razor. I don't know the blade gap or the exposure or anything like that offline. A few things I do want to point out after I finish lathering up here. This time I made sure to scoop out plenty of lather for the bowl. The scent, I don't know the scent notes on Empire State of Mind. I will try to find that and put that here as well. Now the razor, as I mentioned, is the Smooth Operator from HC&C. One thing, I love this handle. I love the shape, love the way it looks. I just got this in today. The head reminds me a lot of another HC&C razor, and that is the Garand. The base plate looks very similar when you take the top cap off. A little bit thicker head on the Smooth Operator than on the Garand. Although the handle length is thicker on here. This one has more heft than the Garand. I like this razor. It's mild yet efficient, but I always thought that the handle's a little bit on the thin side. The Smooth Operator makes up for that by this awesome curvature and also the texture on here just feels really good. This has a brand new Persona platinum blade in it. Like I said, just got this in today, so see how it goes. I can definitely tell it's singing. One day growth here. I used the Blackland Blackbird last night, stainless steel. So this is singing quite a bit, a little bit more than I expected. Although I will say it is extremely smooth so far. Very little blade feel. But I can tell it is cutting. I can also see the stubble in the cream there. Definitely a smooth razor. I love the texture on this. It was very nice, very grippy. The handle is a little longer than I generally prefer, but it does not affect this in any way. It feels very natural. As far as how the handle feels with the weight, the distribution, the balance. Now, if you get the angle off a little bit, you can feel a little bit of the blade, but nothing that's very menacing at all. Definitely kind of a mild razor. Definitely put this in the same kind of category realm as the Garand. Smiled. Has it been a long day? Yes, it has. Mild, yet very smooth. I'd say if you like a lower plate on the Carve or similar razor, you definitely like the Smooth Operator. Let me start with the first pass. Something else I didn't point out on the handle is, not sure how this is going to pick up. It has the HC&C logo on there as well. Very understated, very classily done. Also with this one, this is the first run, and the top cap does have some dings in it. Nothing that affects the performance of the razor at all. But if you think this can affect the performance, and there's a little bit of stuff on the top here, the underside of the top cap is a little bit more scratched up. But I'm having zero issues. No issue with blade alignment on here or blade exposure. The tabs on the side do stick out a little bit, if that's a big deal for you. It is worth noting. Definitely a smooth razor though. Very efficient. This feels like I've been using my my timeless or anything as far as efficiency goes. The razor does retail for $19 on HC&C's website. I'm gonna have enough lather in here to shoot my head too. So, of course, it's performing very well. Y'all know, like, HC&C. Not bad. There we go. Nice, it even got that trouble area without any issue. Now, one thing to keep in mind, when I was speaking with Pete about this razor, he had mentioned that even though it is very smooth and kind of on the mild side, if you're not careful, it can still bite. So I don't think just because it's a mild, very minimal blade feel razor, they can get away with just running it around all crazy on your face and not get bit. Man. I like this little cutout when I'm going against the grain on my chin. That's just kind of where I naturally hold it, and that just fits in my hand very well. That's always an issue there. That feels really good. Under the nose isn't too bad. There we go. Let's see if I can go in and get this a little closer here. There. That's much better. All right. That was an excellent shave. Quick cold water rinse. Still under 12 minutes. Okay, normal spots. And I get with most DEs and Chivettes, I still have a little bit of issues with. There, not bad at all. Okay, quick wrap up. I can't talk tonight. The sort for this evening was the Empire State of Mind from HC&C, a Past Stores Pharmacy exclusive. You can get this online now. Past Stores is selling online. The bowl, HC&C leather bowl, with the HC&C white handle razor brush, and the smooth operator, also from HC&C. Very nice razor. I definitely am impressed. Can feel it's very smooth, very efficient. These blades, the Persona, are not, they're kind of middle of the road as far as sharpness. They're decently sharp, also smooth. Work in most razors for me. Definitely worked very well in this one. I'll have to test this with a feather or something a bit more on the sharper side of things. Next time I have to pull out a new blade. However, initial impressions, very positive for the smooth operator from HC&C. So thank you, Pete. This is a great razor at $19. Definitely worth picking up if you're looking for a budget razor, something that you want to take traveling, throw in a gym bag, whatever that you're not worried about, easily replaceable. Definitely good at this. Anyway, that's going to do it for me this evening, and thank you all for tuning in, and catch you guys next time.